welcome to Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, I am vlogging every day until Christmas, and this is day number 1, and I'm really excited. I'm actually running like 2 minutes late to go meet Dana for breakfast, so I'm gonna go see her, and then I have so much to tell you guys. I haven't vlogged in so long, and I need to fill you in. I am so excited to be back with the vlogs and uploading every single day. I hope you're excited too. It is a very rainy day in Chattanooga. It looks like it's snowing, but it's raining. It turns out that Dana is running a little bit behind, so I'm early. So I think I'm gonna bring my laptop into the restaurant and just like edit or work on my computer for a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have so much to update you on. I have big life updates happening. It started raining, can you hear that? It started raining so loud. So I am moving, not just me and Josh, my husband, we are moving to Florida. Temporarily. We are going to be there until at least March, and I never thought I would be excited to be moving back to Florida because that's where I'm from, that's where I grew up, but I actually am because the circumstances are just so perfect and really cool. So I will update you. I'll do like a proper sit down update and explain everything, why we're moving to Florida and all that stuff, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know. Alright, it looks like the rain just let up a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and run inside before it starts up again, but I will see you inside. Dana's here. She's so cute. You look Christmassy.
Happy belated birthday!
Oh my gosh, you're the sweetest girl in the world.
Perfect breakfast, and look at us, mutual twins.
We're matching.
Exactly the same.
We've got avocado toast and scrambled eggs.
I don't even need voiceover because I have Sophie's voiceover.
Sorry, we're vlogging at the same time.
That was perfect.
Dana is my Vlogmas buddy. She's also doing Vlogmas.
Hello!
Go watch hers too, because she's posting every single day until Christmas. By the way, we are at the Dwell Hotel in Chattanooga, and it's so pretty here, and they have amazing food. Not very good coffee, but great food. We just finished a delicious brunch, and now we are walking to this really cute new boutique called Powell Market, and I think it's actually a photography studio, but they have like shopping in the front. Anyway, it looks really cool on Instagram, so we're gonna go check it out. Thankfully it stopped raining, so we could do our little walk. Anyway, I'll see you when we get there. Powell Market is open. We're so excited. I've been seeing them post on Instagram for a few weeks now. Dana's vlogging as well. But yeah, I've been seeing them post on Instagram a lot lately and just like waiting for them to open, and they open on Black Friday. Lord Jones CBD gumdrops. What? I'd love to try that. They have Palo Santo everywhere. And keeping the good vibes with all these crystals. Oh my gosh. Dana trying on the Lack of Color hat. It looks so good on you. This space is amazing. This is the coolest shop I've ever seen in my life. So gorgeous. Wow. I am obsessed with everything in here.
I'm getting this.
Yeah, you should. You should. You look so good. Our little photo studio in the back. So pretty. Look at this installation. How freaking beautiful is that? Southerly Flower Farm made this. Oh, I'm gonna cry. It's so cute. Of course, they have the Muse and Meta. The best. Dana's getting her hat. We're obsessed with this place. She got that hat. I just got some little things, but we love it. Look how pretty it is. Oh, I love this wall so much. Okay. It is much later now, and Josh and I are about to go take Coco for a walk. I'm already in my pajamas, so that's how much later it is. This is the outfit. I'm so cozy, and it's raining outside, and we have to walk the dog, so yeah. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, baby girl? You gonna go for a walk? She hates the rain, so she's not gonna be very impressed when we get outside. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Little Lotto. This is like the flippin' Blair Witch Project out here. Oh, good girl. She's going potty. It's like raining pretty substantially hard. You can see it. Oh. Good girl, Coco. This is not really a two-person job, but I'm here for moral support and vlog content. It is so foggy and creepy out here because the street lights are like very orangish red. But anyway, we're going back inside now. I'm back in the house, warm and cozy in my Christmas pajamas, which I am obsessed with. I can't take these off since I got them. I got them at Target, I think on Black Friday. Yeah, I got them on Black Friday at Target, and they are the most soft, wonderful Christmas pajamas ever. They come with the pants. It's like a set. Anyway, I was just editing this vlog because I'm trying to stay on top of it and be organized for Vlogmas. And I realized I didn't show you what Dana got me for my birthday. And I just wanted to throw in like a couple of other of my new favorite things that I got today. Or well, sorry, that I got over the past like week or two. And also what I got from Powell Market and a couple of my favorite things right now. First of all, I'll show you what Dana got me. She got me this super cute mug and it says Morning Beautiful right there. It's so sweet, I love it. And she also got me this really, really cute orange like floral clutch type of thing. I feel like it could go as like a clutch, or you could even use it as like a makeup bag, which I really needed a new makeup bag, so I might use it for that because I'm going to be traveling a lot in the next few months. Yeah, I said I would do like a proper sit down portion of like life updates with you and talking more about Florida and stuff, but that won't be in this vlog. That'll have to be in another vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow or not, but it'll happen soon enough. So that was really cute and thoughtful of her. Thanks, Dana. I know you're watching, so thank you so much. When I saw Dana today, it was the last time that I'm gonna see her for a really long time, probably until like after Christmas, which is really sad. That's like the saddest part about moving somewhere is leaving your friends. It sucks, but we'll definitely use the FaceTime. Okay, some other stuff that I got today from Powell Market. So these, I just got two little things from Powell Market today, and I got this lip balm. It looks like this. It's called Rogue Rouge, and it's by Bell Mountain Naturals, and it's like a really nice rosy color. I also got this French Girl Rose Sea Spray for the hair, and Dana and I tried this out. She actually got one too. We tried it out in the shop and it's actually so good. So I'm excited to use this. Packaging is of course super cute. Everything in Powell Market was so gorgeous. Like every inch of that shop is so beautiful. And we also got to meet the owner of the shop. Her name's Julie, and she was the sweetest lady. So yeah, really enjoyed going in there. And I just have a couple more like new in favorite kind of items that I just recently got. It's actually from, come to think of it, I got all of these things on either Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So this is like a mini Black Friday Cyber Monday haul. The first thing is something I've been wanting to try for so long, and it is the Moon Juice Super U. It says Daily Stress Management Supplement, and I don't necessarily feel like I'm like a stressy person in general, but I think this just helps out in so many ways. Let's see, it has alma, rhodiola, ashwagandha, and shatavari, which are all like superfoods. I'll just read what it says on the bottle. It says, Super U is plant-sourced stress relief with ingredients clinically shown to help the body cope with stress, reduce physical, mental, and emotional fatigue, boost energy and mood, preserve collagen, control stress-related weight gain. So I picked that up on Cyber Monday. The next thing I got was this Goop candle, which I haven't burned yet, but look at the packaging. I love the packaging. It's like matte black with a little shiny G. And the candle is the same. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like this is going to be one that I'm going to have to repurchase again and again because it is so good. Wow. It's called Church. It's called Edition 1, but on... Does it say on the bottom of here? Yeah, on the bottom it says Edition 1 Church. It literally smells like an old cathedral, or like it just has like a church vibe. It's so interesting. Okay, I found the little description here. It says, A scent of cypress smoke, snow, and sensual quiet. And that is a pretty dang good description. It smells like a magical old cathedral to me, and I am obsessed with it. And I don't even want to burn it because I don't want it to go away. One last thing I want to share before I sign off here, and it is this by Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum. This is my first time trying this, and I decided to buy it because of Lydia Elise Millen on YouTube. She like swears by this stuff, but they didn't have the color or the shade that she uses on the website that I got it from. I couldn't find the shade that she actually uses, so I got this one called Rose Elixir, and I don't know how to explain it. Like, it feels amazing on my skin, but I don't know if I'm seeing a big difference when I wear it under my makeup or mixed with my foundation. I've only tried it for 2 days now. I know it's weird to like use a beauty product and then exchange it, but I feel like I might try to exchange this if I can for the shade that Lydia uses, because the one that Lydia has is more of like a bronzing kind of thing, so it gives you a little bit of color. This one's just like a little bit of a pink rosy glow, which is nice, but for like $90, I don't feel like it's doing enough. So I might try to exchange it or figure something out with that. But yeah, that's just something that I've purchased recently. And that's everything I wanted to share. I hope that you enjoyed Vlogmas day 1 so far. Well, I say so far, but it's actually over now. So I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas day 1. It does feel really good to be filming again. So I'm excited for what's to come this month with like moving to Florida and lots of changes happening, but I think it's gonna be good. It's exciting. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye guys.